अहम स्टेटमेंट आया है वो आपको सुना देते हैं। दरअसल भारत पर अमेरिका ने जो 50% का टैरिफ लगाया है तो उस पर विदेश मंत्रालय में आर्थिक मामलों के सचिव रवि दामो ने कहा है कि ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि अमेरिका के साथ बातचीत इससे थोड़ी धीमी पड़ जाएगी।
This is a unilateral decision. I don't think there's any logic or reason in the way it is done. Because U.S. and India are very strong partners, they're strategic partners, and been having a complementary relationship all this while. So, but we know that the leaders and the businesses on both sides are looking for opportunities. Perhaps this is a phase that we have to overcome. The negotiations are still going on, so we are confident that solutions will be found in course of time in looking at mutually beneficial partnership. So we are the high tariffs at this point of time doesn't really pull back our industry. We are looking at opportunities, but also new markets. So if US becomes difficult to export, then you will automatically look at other opportunities, both within our own region, in South Asia and Africa, Middle East, Latin America. These are potential areas. I think it's very natural for countries to look for alternatives when you are affected by the wall of tariffs in any part of the world. But I think more to do on the negotiations that are going on between the two countries, and I think the Ministry of Commerce, which is leading the negotiations. Those negotiations are not stopped. They will continue, in my view, and we were very close to finding a solution to it. And I think that momentum had taken a temporary pause, but it will continue, in my view.
चलिए, रामदासु का आप सुन रहे थे। आर्थिक मामले विदेश मंत्रालय अमेरिका के साथ बातचीत और नेगोशिएशंस पर विस्तार से वो अपना टेक देते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तरफ से जो टेक्स आ रहे हैं लगातार हम आपके सामने रख भी रहे हैं, और साथ साथ आर्थिक सलाहकार भी नेगोशिएशन टेबल पर जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स बातचीत करें, सब कुछ आपके सामने रखने की लगातार कोशिश है हमारी। भारतीय बाजार संभलने की कोशिश करते हुए हमारे तमाम एक्सपर्ट्स का शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। 10